Hello, Dollar General Generals. Kimono here, and we're doing a video on the Dollar General clearance event, specifically the coupons you need to load right now because they might not be available on Sunday the 11th. So you need to load these coupons for a lot of freebies and cheapies and magic and butterscotch pudding and ponies and balloons. It's fantastic. This clearance event has a lot of paper, detergent, the meat and potato items couponers love. That's what we're talking about in this video. However, as this event starts next Friday, which is the 16th, Saturday the 17th, and Sunday the 18th, 3 days, these gray totes will be coming out of the back, and there have been so many different penny lists in the last couple of days. I get the sneakiest suspicion that for a lot of older penny items that were there and then they vanished, they're probably in one of these gray totes. I recommend that you watch my videos that I've made in the past couple of days with pennies that, just like go and check it out, go and run. Lots of beauty, different ones, stuff that might not seem very obvious, but it just might show up on Friday the 16th. So I really recommend watching the videos linked at the end for more info. If you have no idea how to use the Dollar General app, I'll also link this video at the end on how to use the scanner to properly put your zip code in there and to see prices. Let's not forget, guys, the prices will not change in the app until about 5 a.m. on Friday the 16th. So these deals are not happening now. It's not until the 16th, 17th, and 18th. Let's remember that. And just stressing that again. For the purposes of this video, we're looking at prices at 50% off, but some stores might be 70 if they're close to a remodel or over inventory. They sometimes go 70, where the majority of these items in the video will be completely free for you. I'm also not going to look at any deals with overage because most of us are dealing with updated stores, so it's quite irrelevant. And even in the middle of nowhere in the country, all the stores around here are updated. So just be mindful of that. I'm not going to be discussing overage, and we're looking at the price points at 50% off. Please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. I would be so grateful. It took a little bit to put this together this morning, so I would really appreciate a big old thumbs up, guys. Okay, so this bottle of Arm & Hammer, it's the 33 loader in Powerfully Clean. I've seen it in every single clearance area. So starting on Friday the 16th, it's going to be $1.80. We currently have a $2 digital coupon. Load that coupon like right away. Here it is. It's valid till the 31st. It's attaching, makes this guy completely free, which is fantastic. I'm going to show you guys the UPC. If you want to play this video on your television at home so you can just like scan and load, maybe that's the smart way to do it. Rest of the prices, we're going to look at the price point subtracting the coupon, so I don't have to do the prices right, narrating all the pricing. So this guy with that $2 digital coupon would be $3.62 for 140 loads. Even though the other one's a complete freebie, this is a better value if you love Arm & Hammer, and that's a huge amount of liquid detergent, and again, a product I've seen everywhere. And again, this is the friend that we're loading. It's attaching to the smaller bottle and the larger bottle, but load this coupon right away. And here is the UPC. And who doesn't love Arm & Hammer for $3.60, a big massive bottle? We have our little friend in the center, the Gain Flings, or the Gain Fireworks, pardon me. So the little scent beads, it's going to be $3.42 at 50% off. And we have a chintzy $5 digital coupon. Load your friend, and definitely double, triple check all those dates, guys, because I'm filming this at 6 in the morning in case I make a mistake. But that one said the 31st of May, so it's good for a bit. And here's the UPC. We have a bag of the Gain Flings, and this is going to be $3.42 after 50% off. And the digital coupon, and it's a smaller one again, I believe. Let's see what it is. $5. So I'm hoping for bigger and better next week, but we'll have to wait and see. And here is the UPC, guys. If you could possibly track down this, which is the Glade Mighty Mango, any sort of spray can at 50% off. This guy's a freebie after the cashback. There's a very generous cashback right now for $1.50 back. So you would pay like the 60 cents for this or whatever it is, and then get this like $1.50 back times, I think the limit for this is 3, so you'd get $4.50 back. It probably would make it a complete freebie. The Purex crystals will be 62 cents. We have another cashback. So you would pay like the $1.62 for this, and there's the cashback that you have to load. And hopefully these cashbacks are still there next week. And it's $1 back with a limit of 1. So really pay attention to your limits. Don't assume that everything is in fives, like something I would do. And here is the UPC. Sorry, it's upside down, but it'll still scan. Now, this is one I am certainly excited about. It is the Olay Berry one. So you're going to grab 2 of these, and it's going to be $1.60. We have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that you'll load, and it'll make it $1.60 for the 2, or 80 cents per Olay. Have you seen Olay this cheap? I certainly haven't. If you look at this date, it expires on Sunday, so you're going to have to do this on Friday or Saturday, like Tit Swit. And here is the UPC for this guy. You might have to type it in because it is a little bit fuzzy. Photography skills not so great. This Dove body wash here called Glowing is going to be $2.80. And we have a $2 digital, so it's going to make it 80 cents. So are you not nerding out with me and thinking that this is going to be the greatest thing since sliced bread? Because I'm kind of thinking that it's going to be. And it's going to be the sort of clearance event that you should write a list, load your coupons today, and then starting on Sunday, we'll have even more coupons to load. So you're on one store card, you probably can get a bunch of stuff. The L'Oreal Elvive, they have this one and a larger bottle, depending what your store still might have. $1.50 for 2 if you can track down these teeny tiny bottles, the smaller ones. We have it 3 off of 2. Hey, that works. This guy expires on Saturday the 17th, so you have to do this one fairly quickly as well. And here is the UPC. This Olay foundation will be $3.75. We currently have a $3 digital coupon. I also think on Checkout 51, they've been giving us like $3 every other week. So if you wanted to double it up and that rebate's still on 51, possibly you can get this twice. But right now with the digital coupon, here it is. And this guy expires on Saturday the 17th. So do it ASAP. And most stores had this foundation in stock, and they have a whole bunch of colors as well, so that's absolutely fantastic. This is an item that's been in the clearance section for the last couple of events. The Clean and Clear Dual Action. So it's going to be $3. We have $2 digital. It's going to drop it down to $1. And this is a discontinued product as well. They're no longer making it. So if you like it, I would definitely stock up. And sometimes these prices also don't ring up properly the first day of the event. So sometimes cashiers will have to modify price points for you. So just keep that in mind as well. We have this big box of Playtex after the $1.50 digital coupon. It'll be $2.32. We never get deals on feminine care like this. And there's a whole bunch of feminine care in this event. Like it's like crazy. So probably Tuesday or Wednesday, I'm going to make another clearance event video with newer coupons and more matchups, and we're going to jog through it again. So it's going to be absolutely fantastic, this clearance event. 2 of these OGX shampoos or conditioners will be $2.75 for the 2. We have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. I know a lot of us were finding Peelies at various stores. So if you might have a couple of Peelies, possibly you can make a deal happen to get it for 75 cents or cheaper. So just an alternative deal. And here is the UPC for this. And the final one I'm going to show you, I'm not going to show everything in this video or it's going to be 7 million hours long. 6 count, 5 count, 4 count of the Huggy Snug and Dry. We have $1 digital. It's going to make it $4.25. Obviously at a 70% off store, it'll be a bit more magical, but it's a little something, $4.25 for a bag of diapers, not the worst thing. If you remember this packaging, it was on clearance at Walgreens possibly a month ago. So I think they're clearing out this entire line at all the stores. That's it for this video, and linked right here, more videos on how to use the app and more pennies. Check it out. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.